Let me start. Okay, we are recording. We are live. So thank you so much once again for being in this presentation for this amazing project called AFX, or what is the same, AutoFX, right? We have people from all over the world joining every day. Right now in this presentation, we have Nigeria in the house, we have Ghana on the house, we have Lithuania in the house. I think we also have people from India in the house. So in a very short period of time, this is, and I am in the United States, all right? So on a very short period of time, AFX is becoming a household name. And we're gonna show you why in this presentation. So welcome everybody to AutoFX, all right? And what about us? I'm not gonna go deep into these details of who are they, and because everybody knows about what is Forex trading, and that's why right now I am not going to waste much of your time going what is a trader, what is Forex, this and that, because it's very well known that Forex is the biggest market in the world. If you didn't know, just let me let you know that Forex moves almost six trillions a day, almost 6 trillions with a T in total volume every single day, Monday to Friday. Guys, that's amazing. $6 trillion are moving every day, changing hands and changing brokers every single day. And what do you need to start this amazing project? What do you need? Do you need a BPS? No, you don't need a BPS. Do you need to download anything? No, you don't need to download anything. This is the simplest, the easiest, stress-free project that I have been part of. You just need your laptop, your smartphone, and you need to activate your account, and just $200 in your broker. Yes, in your broker, not any broker that somebody else is choosing for you. In your broker, the one that you prefer. And this is fully automated trading, hands-free, fully automated, guys. Okay, there's nothing like you have to do anything, like you have to touch this, touch that. No. This is hands-free, stress-free. You just open your account, fund your broker, and boom, that's it. They will start trading for you. So that is freedom, money freedom, time freedom. That is what AFX is all about, all right? Now, what are they doing? They're trading what we call copy trading. They're trading for us. You don't have, once again, I repeat that, you don't have to do anything. Everything is there for you. They will perform Monday through Friday. All the trades are going to be reflected in your account, all right? That's really good and really important that it's stress-free, hands-free, okay? Once again, very important. All brokers are accepted as long as it's MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, guys, okay? You just set it and forget it. You just have to download your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 application and see what's going on in your account, all right? Now, what is the cost of starting? Well, you just have to pay $90 per the whole full year. $90, okay? $80 for the license and $10 for the BPS for 1 year, just $10, okay? Then once you get that done, you are ready to roll, all right? And obviously, this is not a project where you need to refer anybody. This is totally passive. You can put your money in your broker and you can start earning, you can start enjoying the benefits of your money, but it is also has a very interesting compensation plan for the people that decide to promote, which is optional. It's not a must. It's not an obligation. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, okay? This is totally optional. And we have different types of income, actually 5 types of different incomes in AFX. What is the first? Referral programming, fuel programming, 20%, okay? Partner programming, performance programming, and level income. Guys, these 5 bonuses can make a change in your life, okay? Can make a change in your quality of time, freedom, quality of time with your family, with your partners, with your friends, and obviously it means that you can be financially free. All right, good. So let's see, what is this referral programming? Well, we achieve levels. Let's see how we achieve levels. Very, very easy. Okay, very simple, nothing complicated. All right, this is how you get that. You start inviting others, all right? Like what we do normally. I am inviting people, you are inviting people, the team grows. And what do you need to become? AF2, AF3, A whatever rank. You just need people. You need people to help you out, go up in the ranks, okay? For example, for you to be AF2 or the second rank of the company, we all start, everybody starts as F1, okay? Once you register and you activate your package, I mean your account with the $90, $10 for the server and $80 for the license, you're F1. And as F1, you are entitled to receive 25% of the licenses that you personally refer. Okay, that means that if you invite Peter and Peter buys or register and then he deposits his license of $80, what's gonna happen? You're gonna get 25%. What is that? $20 right away in your account, okay? Right away in your account, $20, all right? So for you to be AF2, which is the second rank, now you need to have 3 people directly referred by you, 3 that they all activate their account, all right? With those 3 people, what happens? Now you need a total team, a combined team of 10 more. So, but 3 of those 10 has to be directly referred by you. If you are a good recruiter and you refer 10 people, then you're good. You classify immediately, you qualify for AF2. And what happens when you get to AF2? Now, all the people that you invite, instead of getting 25%, you get 30%, which is $24 right away, right now, immediately, okay? I said there's no need to refer. I said that and I repeat that. Please pay attention to my words. This is not compulsory. You don't have to invite anybody, okay? You put your money to work, but I am explaining what you get when you refer others, okay? If you don't want to refer anybody, boom, not necessary, not compulsory. You're gonna earn from your investment right away when they trade for you. But this part that I'm explaining right now is what you get when you invite others, okay? So yes, you are totally true. You don't have to invite anybody, right? But this part I'm explaining is for the people who decide to invite others and build a team. Okay, so when you invite others and you are AF2, then instead of getting 25%, now you get 30% of every license you personally sell. Okay, 30%. And now, if you want to go up in rank, the next rank is AF3. Now, that's when you need to start building your team. Why? Because in order to be AF3, you need to have 2 people that you personally invited that have the rank of AF2, and you need a total team combined, the people that you invited and the people that they invited, to be 100 people. And once you are AF3, you start receiving 35% of every license that you personally sell. But what happens here? If you have somebody under you, and that person, for example, you are AF3 and you have a person under you that is AF2, and he invites other, that person will get 30%, but you will get the difference between you and him, which is in this case would be 5% of the value of the license. All right, so it's very important that you keep going up in ranks, because the higher your rank, the more benefits you get. Okay, what is the highest rank? Is AF7. And what happens when you are AF7? You get 55% of every license you personally sell. So that's more than half of the value. That's over $40 that you will get immediately of every license you sell. Obviously, there are different qualifications. For you to be AF7, you would need 6 AF2, 2 AF3, and etc. And you see that I'm not gonna go that far because then it's gonna take too long. But in the PDF, you can see what are their requirements. I'm just letting you know what you need if you want to refer, because this is totally optional. Okay, you don't have to, but this is what you get when you invite others. This is one of the most powerful bonus. And then the fuel programming. What is the fuel? Okay, let me explain you in case you don't know what is the fuel. When they trade for you, okay, pay attention to this. When they trade for you, at the end of the month, you will keep 80% of all the earnings you have generated. Okay, you are not inviting anybody, you are totally passive, you just want to put your money to work. Okay, perfectly. So let's say in the month you earn $300, for example. Okay, so what is the company rule? You're gonna keep 80% of those $300, and you have to pay the company 20% because they are trading for you, they are generating money for you. So what happens now? The money is in your broker, right? Because remember, this is something very important to keep always in mind. The money is in your broker, in any broker that you prefer. So they don't have access to your broker. So how are you gonna pay if they don't have access to your broker? Well, now what you have to do is that you need money in your account, and that is called fuel, that is called gas, whatever you want to name it. And you need to have in your back office, in your account, you need to have the equivalent to that 20%. So let's put it simple. You earn $100, you need to have in your account $20, because what is 20% of 100? Is 20, right? So These $20, they will take it from your back office, from your gas wallet, from your fuel wallet. Okay, that's very simple to understand. If you earn in the month $1,000, what's going to happen? You keep 800 and you have to give the company 200 because 20% of 1,000 is 200. I repeat this because this is very important. The company cannot access, AFX cannot access your broker, so you need to have $200 in gas in your back office. So they will take those $200 and now you have to put more money in your back office, okay? Because in your broker, you do whatever you want with the money in your broker, all right? That's how it works, the gas, the fuel wallet, all right? The fuel program. And what happens when the company discounts, okay? When the company discounts this gas or this fuel, the company shares 55%, as you see here. The company shares 55% of that 20%, and they keep 45% from them. So if people are your direct referrals, you will get 25. If you are in AF1, and according to your rank, you will get up to 55%, all right? If it's somebody under you, you get the difference between you and the person that invited that member, okay? So if it's your direct, and you are rank 7, you will get 55%, all right? But if you're level 7 and you are receiving commissions, gas fees, because the gas fees are distributed, like I said, in 7 levels. You see, 7 levels. But you are 7 level, rank 7, and somebody is right here in your level 3. You get the difference between your income, which is 55, and the income, which is 35. So you get the difference in this case, which is 20%. Okay, so that's a very powerful bonus as well. And that is monthly. Every month, you're gonna get this passive income, all right? Now, partner programming. That partner programming, guys, it could also be very powerful. And that's when you reach ranks starting in rank AF3. What does this mean? It means that you are going to receive some benefits of the company, and it will be distributed like this. When you get to AF3, the company will give you 2% of the licenses and gas fees. They will distribute 2% within the AF3 people, all right? So that could be very big because this is a project that is just beginning. Imagine 6-8 months from now, that 2% could be a lot of money distributed into the AF3. So AF4 will also participate in the 1% bonus, and it goes all the way down to level 7 with 0.5 each, which means that the company will distribute 4.5% from between the AF3s and AF7. That is also monthly. So that could be really good, really powerful, depending on, you know, how strong you work, how focused you are. And the performance programming, it's like the rank bonus, okay? That's very easy to understand, that when you reach a rank, they will immediately deposit in your account for AF2 $50, AF3 $100, and it goes all the way down to AF7 $1,500. So once you get to AF7, you have already received more than almost $3,000 in bonuses. Okay, those are one-time bonus. 50, 100, 200, 400, 800, and 1500. All right. So level income. What is level income? Well, guys, you will get this income no matter what level you are. You will get level income. That means that there is no requirement. You don't need to qualify. Okay. So that's from your directs. From your directs, you will receive 5% of what they receive. Okay, what they receive, you will receive 5%, and it will go all the way down to 9 levels, guys. You see, 9 levels, and that is without any kind of qualification. So this also could be huge, and this is daily bonus. Okay, this is done every day. You don't have to qualify, no rank 1, 2, 3, or 4. No. As soon as you start your activation and you start inviting others, you will receive these earnings every single day. Okay, it says after adding an account to the robot, you should not manually trade in it. Okay, you should not manually trade in it. If you do this, the account will be removed from the robot, and it will take 5 to 10 days to add it back. So guys, as I said in the beginning of the presentation, this is all done for you. Okay, all done for you. You don't need to do anything. Just let it work. Okay, after the account is added on the robot, you will be able to earn, to profit 10 to 40% for monthly. Okay, so please be patient. Why do they say this? And this is very important. Because there are many people that are constantly looking at their MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Let's say, oh, one transaction is like pending, you know, when it's in red, which is Augustus. If you continue doing that, I'm gonna remove you from the. I'm gonna remove you. I'm gonna block you so that you will not be able to join any other of my Zooms. Okay, please stop doing that. Thank you so much. Okay, so now what I was saying is that there are many people doing this. Checking all the time. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna remove this guy, Augustus, because he's playing games. Okay, no, he just deleted it. All right. So there are people that are all the time watching the MetaTrader 4, say, oh, this transaction is open and it's in red. You have to understand how Forex works, guys, and listen to this so that you can share this with your team members. Forex is not what happens in one day. Forex, you have to wait to see what the benefits are weekly, monthly, not just for one day. And when one transaction is, you see where there are like 2 arrows in your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, there are 2 arrows, right? And that's when you click there in the 2 arrow, in the arrow, like pointing up, right? That's where you will see which transaction is open. That means that the transaction is not closed. So until the transaction is not closed, you are not losing anything. Okay, because people see it in red, people get nervous, people, you know, get impatient, this and that, and that's why they're telling us be patient. So the last 2 transactions I had in red for they were open for 2 days, but they closed in about 2% profit each. One was 1 point something, the other one was close to 2 point. So that's why they're telling us be patient. I started this week and I had only 3 transactions closed, 2 are still open. But in these 3 transactions that are open, I mean closed, that they close those trades, I have a little bit more than 5%, a little bit more than 5%. So imagine if they will, all of them were closed, I would be around 8 to 10% in the week. All right. So guys, don't be impatient. What they're telling us is that we are going to get anywhere from 10 to 40% per month. And something else that they say, your accounts will not get blown. And I trust them. You know why I trust them? Because I'm seeing the risk management they're doing. They are not risking a lot of our volume in one trade. They're risking the minimum in every trade according to our balance. So if you see, I don't know if you are already trading, but if you see, for example, in the different WhatsApp groups, you see the people that are sharing their results. You see a very low risk in every trade. So in every closed transaction is over 1% or close to 2% in every closed transaction. So guys, they are really doing well with their risk management and their take profit in the transactions. Okay, now you can withdraw anything, any amount of money you can withdraw from your broker. It's your money. You don't have any access to it. Anytime you can withdraw your profits, but remember, you have to pay 20%. That 20% has to be in your back office. Okay, so these are some instructions on how to activate your account. I know your uplines, your sponsors are explaining you how to do this, and I've seen different videos circulating on how to activate everything and how to activate or connect your broker. So guys, this is very, very easy, nothing difficult. You just have to connect your account in your back office. You just need to have enough gas to pay the fees every end of the month. All right, so that's going to be it for the recording. I will stop the recording and then I will take some questions. And guys, I really, really appreciate your being here on a Saturday evening. For some people, it's Sunday early in the morning and you still join. We have more than 60 people on a Saturday evening. That's amazing. You are the best of the best. So thank you. If you're watching this presentation in YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and you're going to be ready to receive the next Zooms, the next training that I will do about this amazing project called AFX or AutoFX. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you all.